area kasi nearby lang yung bahay namin dito. And ito lang yung nag-iisang concept store here in Tandang Sora. It's in Sangandaan. And so I decided to check it out. It's different from all the other concept stores na napuntahan ko, especially sa mga malls. So this one, ang location niya is nasa Crossroad mall, but it's not really a mall. Marami siyang restaurants around, and parang individually sila. So hindi siya as in inside the mall. So ayun, as you can see, kanina pagpasok ko, it's from the outside, this store na agad. So ayun, what makes it different? Kasi yung iba, I always see clothes, makeup, perfume, skincare. But this one, it has a lot of new products that I see. So, itutour ko kayo and then I'll tell you which products yung mga yung iba from the other stores. So, a concept store, usually, lahat na makikita nyo dito is not really inside the usual places like the malls. So, yung mga makikita nyo sa mga concept store are usually new products. And yung karamihan is makikita nyo online. Yung iba kasi, wala pa rin siya in most places. And kahit online, mahirap siya bilhin. Sobrang blessing ng mga concept store kasi yung iba kasi ayaw bumili sa mga online stores kasi nga hindi nila natatest, natatry yung products, and iba pa rin yung experience kapag nasa store kayo. So, you get to touch a product, you get to smell it, you get to see it for yourself. And also, lalo na sa clothes, ang hirap mag-shopping online. So, iba pa rin yung experience na nadadala ng physical store.
When it comes to apparel or women's apparel, si Jose yung pinaka-best seller.
Tingnan natin kung dito ka rin bibili later. So, mayroon din palang kahit na formal clothes. So, when you need formal clothes, mayroon din.
Yan yung sa attraction designs talaga. Kasi diba meron din kami dresses.
Yeah.
So, nagko-customize din kami ng mga dresses. We also have perfumes.
Tapos, oo nga eh. This one, ito yung nakita ko different from other concept stores. Kasi, karamihan, puro yun nga, yung usual na skincare, clothes, makeup. But this one, they also have card games, mga drinking games, ayan. So, meron din sila ball pen, mga school supplies, and also, driver license na jacket. So, I guess,
From MC Style.
yes, MC styles. Also, they have a lot of accessories to choose from.
These are from Blush Chick accessories. And we also have Style Off.
Yeah, ito nga yung uso ngayon eh, yung mga parang
Clips like this.
Actually, ang ganda ng fit. Pero di pa parang Korean din na ano to. Kasi sila yung mahilig sa clip.
We also have Jar of Beauty. Siya yung latest na products namin dito sa pang-skincare.
More on whitening ba ito? Whitening. So, ito sa kanila lang. So, we're done with the tour. Napakita nila sa atin yung mga bestseller clothes and also accessories. Ayan. So, first I'm gonna try the dresses. Actually, kinda semi-formal clothes from their brand, Attribution. Let's go there.